Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, April 16th. I'm doing what I say I never do, and that is a student sent me a couple little videos, MP4 files, demonstrating that two of the exercises in practice exams for PowerPoint did not work. And of course, I've told you before, I will not use any question that doesn't work. But at the same time, if they work in the simulation trainings, then they're going to work in the simulation practice exams, because the practice exams are just a different scenario, but basically they're the same as the trainings. But anyway, I'm going to just demonstrate these two portions of those two practice exams. And so it's literally going to be less than 10 minutes. Okay. All right. So let's go over here. I'm going to just start my, go over here and share my screen. I'm speaking fast, of course, because I just want to get this done and have it very short. All right. So hide that. I'm already over here in our class in my lab IT. And I'm going to go into PowerPoint. Oh, wait, I need to make sure I'm in the student view. Return to instructor. Yeah, I'm in student. Okay, so chapter 4 practice exam is what I'm looking for. Okay, so this one here, simulation practice exam, I'm going to click it. I'm only going to do 4.1.3 because that's the one I've already watched the person's the MP4. And by the way, the MP4 files this person sent me are beautiful. They're excellent work. But I just want to obviously do whatever. All right, so 4.1.1. So I'm just going to scroll down to 4.1.3. How do I do that? No, oh, shoot, I don't know how to. Oh, questions, is it? Let's see. Okay, yeah. So 4.1.3. Let me make sure. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to now do this one. All right. So on slide 3, display the guides. All right. So this is 4.1.3. All right. So display the guide. So you go to your view and you put your check mark in guides. All right. So that's done. Now it's saying move the vertical guide to 2.25. All right. So just move this over here. As long as you get close to the number, like I'm going to let it go on 2.27, but it will take it. Okay. See, it took it. So as long as you get close, it'll take it. All right, add a new guide and position it at 2.25 to the left of 0. So just on top of here, add vertical guide. And then it pops up a little bit to the right of the other one. Move this one to 2.2. I'm at 2.26. I'll just let go right there. All right, so now I have these guides, right, including quadrants. Okay, now set the guide's position as default. So just right click on any of these areas. Click on your grid and guides and click on set as default. Now this is the part that she wasn't able to get, this student wasn't able to do. Okay, so align the bottom edge of the picture on the right. So this is the picture on the right with the lower guide. Okay, so the lower guide is not down here. There's no guide. You can see a guide here and you can see a guide here on the horizontal side. These are vertical guides going up and down, up and down. Now, it might imply because the vertical guides are going up so high, you might assume there's another horizontal guide up here. But if you don't see it, it doesn't matter. And down here the same way. The vertical guides are going way down. Vertical guides going way down. But the only two horizontal slides are this one, horizontal guide, sorry, are this one and this one. And it's saying align the bottom edge of the picture. This is the picture with on the right with the lower guide. So this is the lower guide. Okay, so I'm just going to drag up and release it when it gets onto that guide. Okay, now I can try right here just to see if it'll take. Okay, it took it. All right, so that is done. Then deselect the pictures, turn on the guides. So meaning deselect the picture, just don't click on a picture. And then click on grid lines because it's saying turn on the grid lines. And now position the exotic cities ribbon so that the left edge aligns with the 2-inch. So exotic cities, that's this ribbon here. And they want the left edge to align with the 2-inch mark on the right of 0. So that's this one, okay, this mark here. And then the bottom edge, meaning this bottom part here, with the 3-inch mark below 0. That's right here. So over here, so I'm going to click this and drag it. First, I'll go to where the left edge is on the 2. You see, here's the 2, right? So the left edge is on the 2. So that's fine. And then the bottom edge, they want to align with the 3-inch. And the 3-inch is right there. Okay, so 2-inch on the left and 3-inch on the bottom. Release, done. Okay, so that one is done. All right. Now, let me see how I can get out of this one. I guess I'll submit that and go say whatever. And now I want to go to the chapter 5. I said I want to do this fast, and now it may already be not quite as fast as I want, but for sure it shouldn't be more than 10 minutes. So here's chapter 5. And on chapter 5, this person also had an issue. And again, I'm not saying anything bad at all. I loved the 2 little videos that the person sent to me, okay? Meaning demonstrating what she was doing in these. All right, so let's see, simulation practice exam. So click this one again. This time, not again, because the other was chapter 4.1.3. So this one, she wanted 5.1.5, all right? So I'm gonna go again, let's see, I think I did this to go to the different questions. I'm on 5.1.1, it's 5.1.5. So over here, now I'm on 5.1.2. So here, and here, and here, I'm now on 5.5. Okay, 5.1.5. And for this one, so I'll just again go through the 3 or 4 steps on it. So display the notes master, right? So view and then notes master under the master in the master views area. So that part's done. Now it's saying insert a picture. So you're going to click on your insert your pictures, and the picture will pop up. So you never need to browse when you're doing these things. So there's the picture, P05H1 garden logo. So click it. Now it's in the file name. Just click the insert. It'll do everything else for us. Now click and drag. This was the part of this particular question that didn't work. I mean, it does work though, but it's not. And I'm not saying again, this is wonderful. But anyway, so click and drag the notes placeholder. So here's the notes placeholder. So you click on it. All right. So it's selected. They want the top, let's see, so the text level, so that its top edge aligns with the 1-inch mark above 0 on the vertical ruler. Here's the vertical ruler over here. So here's 0, here is 1. So I want the top edge here to be at this 1. So as I click it and drag it, like here, and just go up, they're not saying you have to be in exactly the same horizontal spot. So it's okay if, or yeah, like I'm just going up, but I'm sure it's moved a little bit, but there's a little reddish line that's on that vertical ruler. Like right now it shows that I'm right on the 1. Okay, if you don't see it, it doesn't matter. Just go up so that it looks like you're on the 1 and release it. And it took it, so that's fine. And then it says close the master view. Close the master view, done. All righty. So have a great day. And this little video will be up to show for you guys. So let me get out of there, leave, let me come over here. See, no, recording, yeah. And here, stop the recording. Have a great day, guys.